Welcome guys to the Magic Academy. Today we are learning an awesome ace transposition. This is a classic, it's been around for decades, and David Blaine actually performed this routine on Conan O'Brien back in 1997, I want to say. If you do want to see his handling of the routine, I actually have the link in the description below. And Conan is always a character, and it's always great to see David Blaine as a young man at that time. But yeah, it's a great effect. It can be done in the hands of the spectator. It can be done on a table. A lot of options, a lot of versatility here. So if you guys want to see the performance, I'll go ahead and perform that as well real quick. And then from there, we'll go into the explanation. And so I hope you guys enjoy this card trick. Question is the hand quicker than the eye? We'll do a little experiment here. Here's the ace of spades. We'll place that onto the table and we'll take the ace of clubs and place it underneath. Watch the move. Did you see that? It happens fast. Now we have the ace of spades on the bottom, the ace of clubs on the top. Should we do that one more time? I think we should. Let me get the right order, perfecto. So what do we have here? We've got the ace of clubs onto the table this time. We've got the ace of spades. Now watch carefully, okay? Take the ace of spades and place it on the bottom. Watch. Did you see that? Yeah, check this out. Look, the ace of clubs is now on the bottom and the ace of spades is on the top. So yeah, maybe the hand is quicker than the eye. What are your thoughts? If you're looking for another ace production, I do have one on my channel. I'll link that as well. Obviously, there are many different ways to produce aces, but we'll go ahead and get into the handling of the card trick. What I like to do is use the two black aces, just because the clubs and the spades are such a contrasting card. It really makes the effect, I think, that much more powerful. So what are we doing here? For the first part of the routine, we have the two black aces on the top, and we're performing a double lift. And so there's many different ways to do the double lift. I like to do the lift where I put the thumb on the bottom of the card and the third finger on the end. I actually use the bottom of the thumb to twist the card and snap it like so. And from there I flip the card over and place what everyone thinks is the club, the spade, on to the table. And from there we go ahead and say, now we're going to put the other ace, the spade, underneath. And so from there you can do some sort of magic gesture to show the change and reveal that the bottom card is now the club and the ace of spades is on the top. And so for the next part of the routine, I sort of shuffle up the cards and have the two black aces on the bottom. And what I do is I actually hold on to the ace of clubs or the spades, whatever it might be, and I use the first finger to grab the red ace. So I'm essentially just splitting the two black aces apart. So now I have red, black, red, black. You can get into that position any way you like. And so what are we doing here? Once again, we're performing a double lift, showing the ace of clubs, placing the club onto the table, but it's really, of course, the ace of hearts. From there, we are doing a double lift from the bottom, simply showing the ace of spades and saying, now watch, we're going to place the ace of spades underneath. We're going to do the move, whatever move you like. And from there you can reveal that, look, now the ace of clubs is on the bottom and now you have the ace of spades on the top. From there you can go ahead and reveal the two red aces. Simple, powerful magic. Nothing gets better than that, am I right? You can have the magic done in the hands of the spectator, placing the aces in their hand. So there's many different ways to do it. Watch the David Blaine version. He does a great job as always. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.